Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Toyota RAV4. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 135,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, and window defogger.